Back in this country, the weather is making news tonight. There is more snow on the ground across our country than we usually see by Christmas time. In some places, it's been measured in terms of feet on the ground. You can see the sheer size of the storm right now clocking the eastern seaboard. By tomorrow, parts of every state in the union will have temperatures below freezing. And this same system has triggered an outbreak of tornadoes across the South, as parts of Florida, for example, go from the 70s to the 30s in a day. Our meteorologist Dylan Dreyer is covering it all. She's in Erie, Pennsylvania for us tonight. Dylan, good evening.
Good evening, Brian. Temperatures have been dropping fast here now that first storm system is moving out. But this cold wind is going to turn on the lake effect snow machine. I-90 here, the main road to Buffalo, could be shut down at times tomorrow because of whiteout conditions. And it's not just here. Bad weather is to blame for so many travel problems all across the country. Record-setting cold is quickly sweeping the nation, bringing heavy snow and dangerous bitter cold. Freezing. High winds, even spawning 10 tornadoes in the South. More than 200 million Americans across all 50 states will suffer through temperatures at freezing or below tomorrow. Many already in the midst of it. Bad news for anyone trying to travel by air in hard-hit areas like Columbus, Ohio and Louisville, Kentucky, where crews spent the day de-icing planes and shoveling tarmacs. Treacherous ice-covered roads led to deadly crashes in Minneapolis and Indianapolis. At least 6 people killed this weekend. Dozens of spinouts and trucks off the road in Oklahoma. Sleet, fog, and plummeting temperatures will only make travel more difficult, like in Ohio, where the Weather Channel's Mike Seidel is.
Right now, it's easy to clean the snow off this windshield, but tonight the temperatures are going to plummet across the Midwest. A forecast tomorrow morning here of 9. That's a record low, and everything out here is going to turn into a solid sheet of ice.
On the banks of Lake Superior in Ashland, Wisconsin, ice is already forming, weeks ahead of schedule. In the South, 100-mile-per-hour winds and tornadoes tore through central Georgia, and an EF2 tornado hit the Florida Panhandle. Watches and warnings have residents on alert tonight as this massive system pushes east. Now, lake effect snow will get started here tonight. It's already begun in Michigan, and areas downwind of the Great Lakes will pick up 1 to 3 feet of snow. Elsewhere, it's all about the cold. Tomorrow morning, we're looking at single digits, teens and 20s. Afternoon highs tomorrow about 20 degrees below average, and even colder for some on Wednesday. But maybe, just maybe, Brian, we could start to turn the corner in time for Thanksgiving.
Dylan Dreyer on a cold night in Erie, PA. Dylan, thanks.